In this video, I'm going to show you how to refresh MotiveWave chart. Now to do this, you want to open up the chart you're having trouble with. I'm going to go with this Tesla chart over here for this tutorial. And then the first thing you can do is right click and then click on the reset chart scale. If that didn't work or did nothing that you wanted, what you can also do is simply right click and click on clear local data. And when you do that, click on yes over here, and that's going to refresh things again. And then what you can also do is click down here at the bottom of your chart where you can see the time, and then click and drag like this, so to zoom in and then zoom out as well. And then whenever you do this, this may load in more data. So as you can see here, this has kind of fixed the issue for me because it loaded in more data. And yeah, that's going to refresh the MotiveWave chart. What you could also do if you really wanted to is you could go to the top left and click on file, and then from here you can go and basically disconnect and then just connect again, or you could also go and shut down and reopen it and then reopen the chart, and that's going to refresh everything as well. Okay, so those are the options you have. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.